We add our clean meat there. Already blend there. It's boiled like less 2 hours. Okay, we're gonna check the meat if it's already tender. We put into the plate. There we go. Yan. Let's see how tender. Oh, it's tender. It's already tender. Look at that. Okay. So we're gonna put it back to our pot. Now make sure we taste the broth so we can adjust the seasoning. Oh, it's fine. It's really good. And we have 2 kinds of cabbage, the regular cabbage and the Taiwan cabbage or chensin cabbage. And some bacon. Gawin na natin yung ating gulay. First, ito muna ating bagu beans. Yan. And yung ating cabbage. Huwag natin i-overcook yung ating gulay. We don't overcook our veggie. Chensin cabbage. Bacon. Put back the cover for a few minutes. While waiting, we make a dipping sauce for our beef nilagang. This is coconut vinegar, only 1, or siling labuyo. Then we add fish sauce. Okay, after a few seconds, our nilagang beef ribs. Yan. Luto na yung ating nilagang beef ribs. Yan, kain tayo with our sausawan.